Ugh, this assignment is so boring. Why do we even have to read?
Are you kidding me, Emma? Books are like magic portals. They can take you anywhere you want to go.
Yeah, like this travelogue I just read. It's about this girl who explored the Amazon rainforest. She described the sounds of the jungle, the shimmering rivers, and even found a lost city. It felt like I was right there with her.
I love travelogues. They make me dream of seeing the world. Imagine discovering new places no one's ever been to before.
Okay, but that's just made up stories. What's the point in reading stuff that isn't real?
But it is real, Emma. Think about science fiction. Writers dreamed of flying long before planes existed. Aladdin's magic carpet and fairy tales inspired the Wright brothers to invent airplanes.
And don't forget Jules Verne. Around the world in just 80 days, he made people believe and imagine traveling faster. And now we have supersonic jets and rockets.
Okay, that's kind of cool, I guess, but still.
Let's show her. Come on, let's take a trip to the park. I will show you why books are awesome.
Great idea! Let's grab some of our favorite books and go.
Hey girls, your books are issued. Let's take and go.
The inventor gazed at the sky, imagining a world where people could live among the stars. Just think, Emma, all the cool gadgets that we use today, like phones and robots, it started as someone's imagination in a book.
I never thought of it that way.
The ancient ruins were covered in moss, whispering secrets of the past to those who dared to listen. Books like this makes you want to travel the world and learn its history.
The fairies sprinkled golden dust, and suddenly the villagers could fly.
These might be like, made up stories, but these inspire real-life inventions.
And when life is overwhelming, books are like friends. They cheer you up, help you see things differently, and give you courage.
And books also helps us build our vocabulary and think creatively. Right, girls?
I love reading books. Exactly. Plus, when you read about characters and their problems, it helps us understand people better. It's like practicing problem solving in real life.
Okay, I'm convinced. Books are pretty amazing. Let me try reading this one. Everyone, stay calm. Don't panic. Follow me. Get in the line.
Kids, quickly form a line.
The line.
Emma, how did you know what to do?
I read about it in a book. It explained what to do during an earthquake and how to stay safe.
See, reading really does prepare you for anything.
And by saving our lives, you are a hero, Emma.
I know, it's all thanks to books and me. Let's go.